was before 24 years. In 2001, CLOOS started its journey in India, in Delhi, in a very small way with a dealer. But they had a vision to train India, to bring latest technologies to India. And today we are very happy that CLOOS India have inaugurated their new technology center at MIDC Pimpri. And we are having the leadership team of CLOOS to tell us about their journey and what they are looking to do in the future.
I remember the times, first India 2001, we had a dealer here. We start some sales activities without really service. Then I was part in 2006, 2007 to enter the first big business in India with 5 systems. 6 months later, we hired 2 technicians, which are still in our team, Sumon and Santosh. Really a long history with a long experience. And we have 40 team members here in India at our team CLOOS India.
We as company CLOOS could see the growth of the Indian industry and Indian economy. There are a lot of jobs created for improving the infrastructure, and company CLOOS is trying to support the production of all the components for the economic growth in India.
Today it was declared that due to very high performance during last few years, especially 2024, with a very handsome amount of order and especially very good feedback to sustain in the industry for 20 years and still having the same customer on your invitation within 1 week and getting the feedback from the customer that CLOOS is one of the organization, we don't have to think about service. Such kind of comment we receive, and this is the result that we receive the Best Subsidiary Award from CLOOS Management.
For the new training area, which we open now all around the world. Last year we had the opening in US. Next month we will have the opening in Turkey. And we want to bring a unique training program to the world. And we want to bring this to a new level here with this experience and training center. And we create the whole storybook, what should be content of a training in Haiger from our expert. And we're bringing this now out to each and every subsidiary, to every regional hub, that we have, let's say, someone who is trained in India could do the job everywhere in the world. And it's the same content, same professionality.
We are very strong in providing automatic solution for the earth moving equipment which India need to build up new roads, new railway stations, new airports, as well as also for the energy, for new transformers, as well as also for the traffic, for the railway industry.
We are willing not just to give sales and service and training support. We are also willing to give partly R&D to India. India is extremely good in the area of Pune, especially for engineers. My personal target is to have also R&D power using from India for the future of the CLOOS Group globally.
Yeah!